Alright guys, welcome back to Soai, and today I am so excited because I'm gonna be going fishing in New York. Exactly, we're going to City Island. When I talk about we, I'm talking about my boy over here, Kenny, you know what I'm saying, who watches the channel and was just like, yo, hunting time. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So yeah, Kenny there. We're going over to City Island right now. The target fish that we're going for are Jamaicans, we would say aquatic creatures or swim around. It's gonna be porgy, sea bass, and bluefish. So that's what we're going for today. It's gonna be offshore fishing. We need to get there by 6 o'clock, and we're gonna be fishing all the way out into the night. We should be getting back in by 12 o'clock, you said, Kenny?
12:30.
12:30. All right, and the temperature is gonna be somewhere in the 60s. So yeah, we all geared up. You don't know it's there already. When it comes down to camping, fishing, whatever it is, we are ready for the adventure. So I'll catch you guys there when we get to the dock. All right guys, so we have gotten to our stop, parked up and everything. Yo, Kenny is super prepared. Like, we legit have everything I can think about. Like, I don't know if you guys know what a tourniquet is. That's the thing that you, for the bones, right? To make sure it's, yeah. So we have everything. We got drinks, everything out there. Like, is this something that you normally do though? Like going out for like fishing expeditions?
Just hydrate, have a lot of water, and snacks.
So
Don't need
water, snacks. But yeah, do you go fishing out here in New York that often?
Yeah, somewhat often, but mainly inland.
Inland.
So not deep sea.
I don't think a lot of people even know you can go fishing in New York.
Yeah,
It
there's
doesn't
a lot of
seem like
water.
that type of state. It's more like Florida seems that way, but New York you can do good fishing,
There's
yeah?
a lot of fresh water here and parks. You can fish in parks once you have your license.
Okay. And do you know like the size fish that we're able to catch today? Because I know here we have like legal catch sizes and stuff like that.
I'm not quite sure with the porgy, but I know the sea bass is 31 inches.
31 inches.
And the blackfish is 22 inches, I think. I gotta double check. But they'll tell us there on the boat what's the legal size limit.
And which one is your preferred?
It would be the porgy.
Porgy?
And maybe sea bass, but I don't like blackfish. It's too meaty.
As a yard man, what does a porgy remind you of? Like a snapper?
Similar to a snapper, but more like tilapia.
Tilapia.
Yeah.
Vibes. All right. This is my very first time in City Island. This is a part of like New York that, you know, you'd probably feel doesn't even exist. Like it seems very, I can't even explain it. Yeah, it doesn't seem like the typical buildings that you might find out in New York. You know, it looks kind of almost small town portish. That's the type of vibe that I'm getting. You see me? So, super excited to be out here at City Island for the very first time and to go catch some fish. Oh, and this video is gonna be a catch and cook. You know, you guys have been saying it for a long time, like we wanna see you catching something and cooking it up. So maybe we might do like some fish tacos or I don't know, man, but it's gonna go down, man. It's gonna go down. Ah, you never know. You never know. This is what it looks like. See jacks baked on tackle. That's our vibe, guys. We have a cooler in the back. We're going in to go get some bloodworms.
Say at least a dozen each. That's good too. No, that's how. When you didn't open it for him, he was just walking around with a closed one.
How much is that?
1960. Guys, go up to that.
Look at that. Yo, 20 bucks for worms. Them thing at Jamaica go dig up in the dirt, bro. Yo, God bless America. But yeah, these worms are different. Explain to me bloodworms though. Are they anything special about them in particular?
bleed.
Oh, so it gives like a better catch. Yeah. Okay. So $20 sounds about right. So on this trip they have other baits. You using bloodworms is as a preference. You never had to get them if you never wanted to get them. But there's gonna also be conch. You mentioned?
Clams and oysters.
So conch, clams, and oysters. Nah man, that trip a hype, brother, cause some people have bread them a go out with, you know. Solar bread, you know. You know what I'm saying? But we deep sea fishing at its best. Yo, got to love this, man. You guys could tell, like I am so excited about today. Like, yo, big up to Kenny for the vibes there, cause it's been a long time since I've gone fishing.
It's a winter time. Right here. And down here and the water is all the way up by the window.
What?
Comes all the way up.
So the tide goes that high in the winter? Jaja. Wow.
Hurricane, if any hurricane, you can't say anything. All this.
Jeez. Watcha. Someone knows the Kenny I really youth, you know. Because me is a Malta guy. Malta solely, the man of the Malta. So usually when I travel to any country, I always try to find the best malt possible. I think out in Ghana for me was Guinness. Guinness had a good one. Out here, this one is good. I think, you ever tried the Vita malt?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one is probably more similar to, you know, D&G one and thing. But anybody will drink Malta is alright with me.
You see the different flags, and sometimes you see all the Jamaican flag. Vessel come from Jamaica.
That's dark.
And them dock right here, so.
Them little boat you take on the sea, so bro?
No, they better normally attach it to a bigger boat, so it trail behind. So
Oh.
you see something big like this, and then them attach it to like a 20-foot rope. Right, just stay behind it. Just
So these are the ones that will come into port and get like
right,
supplies
come
and
get
stuff like
supply
that.
and you take back this out to get the bigger one.
All right, guys. So we're on the boat now. Kenny wanted us to be at the back, you know, for a moment, but he said that it had a better angle or something like that
Better angle and
for video wise, but not necessarily fishing.
not necessarily fishing. And
Okay.
sometimes the back is near the reef where you can catch more fish, but they still come up on the sides.
Okay, cool. So those spots are taken already. So we've just came to our side here. Is this the starboard? What side am I on? Port. No,
Port would be up front.
up front,
Yes.
port, bow, starboard. What's that? Whatever, man. I'll Google it and let you guys know. So we're on
I'm
the.
not a boatsman, I'm a hunter.
Where's the front of the boat? That way? Yeah, that's the front of the boat there. So this is the left side. I'll pop it up there and re-educate myself because I used to remember what they were. So this is our position right now, and it doesn't seem like a full trip or a full expedition at the moment. For those who want to know, it is a guaranteed catch to the point where if we're not getting anything, they will try to find another coordinate where there might be fish. So yeah, you're not going to just waste your money to come out here. And for those who want to know what the cost of it is, it's somewhere around like 80 to 100 bucks, right?
Yeah, so it's $80 without fishing rods and $90 with fishing rods.
With fishing
Yes.
rods.
And they
Okay.
provide clams and whatever for you, but then if you want a better choice, you can get the bloodworms, which give you a bigger catch.
Which we got for 20 bucks.
Try come early and then come earlier.
Down way.
As in, if I were there, that's how we see them on the boat.
They're just like, yo. Yeah. Up top, up top. Oh god, big up, big up.
Yo, right? That's more.
No. I mean, no. Before no support. No, police. No. Police are here.
That was so police.
Police are here. Yeah, man. What's all right? Let's start with Anspe. No police are here. No Jamaican anyway. From the cinema, from Doug, we do some Jamaican.
You know, say hard man.
I said, oh, no, police.
Man, I want some smoke, yeah? No problem.
Alright. Yeah man, no problem bro.
They think man, we're good man.
Nah, man, camera video, fishing catch the you guys. Let me catch the biggest for the third time, yeah?
Alright. Alright, so now we're at the back of the boat, which is the better fishing spot. But you don't know, say, yo, this is gonna be the real boat, cause be a yard man up on the boat. It's if I say one thing about how can I say, like our country people, you know, a yard man from in walk or in talk or in dress, everything. So it's gonna be a vibe. I catch some aquatic features, some swim around today, and super excited about it. You see me? The temperature is kind of dropping a little bit. What is it now? It's probably like what?
75 degrees.
Oh, 75 degrees. Not so bad. So, yeah. We're outside in New York City's Mouth Side. So we're on our way to go fishing. Super excited, and I'm super happy that the boat is not too crowded. So we have some Jamaicans probably up at the front. Man, them full of vibes, real vibes, people. Them, you don't know. Me and Kenny, more the chill ones. We're at the back here, and yeah. How much pounds of fish you feel you go catch today?
About 20.
20 pounds?
Yep.
Damn, that's a lot of fish, bro. 20 pounds of fish.
Feed the nation.
From the back of the boat where you can smell
Weed.
weed. You know,
Mary
say,
Jane.
you know, say yard man them there.
Yep.
It could stink. Right. But yeah, it's beautiful, guys. Like we're having the sunset and everything like that. Calm, chill vibes. I tell you, man. Up. Yeah, I got it told him. So Kenny had made me know that they have like a betting pool, a bettors pool.
Yeah.
So they just put money together. So basically everyone was like a $5 pool. So now the cash price is at $70. So basically whoever catches the biggest swim around is gonna get that money.
Yep.
So hopefully one of us are gonna get it.
We're the only ones at the back, so
Yeah.
look.
I hope that helps, and we are not just Rosa parking it. You know what I'm saying, man? they're just basically just sorting out all of the bait. So like I said before, it's things like conch. What exactly is that? Like just fish guts, clam. So conch, clam. Yeah, smells really edible. So you're gonna just chum the water with that. Wow. So we're gonna take a quick walk and see what the yard man them a do up there. So besides, we'll take a quick walk and see. You know, but the time right now it is 7:37 p.m. at night, and the sun is still out, man. Like the sun's still out the same way. Going up to the bow of the boat. Oh, Jaja. Fully. How much pound of things you catch today?
I got one biggest one now. Come here when the pool today.
Yeah, when the pool.
Now I'm looking at the pool now.
Yeah, forget the pool. Our vibes. It's a bit. So we're at the front. I'm kind of glad to we're there at the back part still because guess what? It's warmer. Yeah. So what many man them start do the fishing thing? And something I'm do a yard same way or?
You know, so for a grow we love fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah man, for a grow we love fishing.
Which side of Jamaica?
Fishing
From Portland?
East side.
East side?
Yeah.
Nice.
Fishing is our side.
Fuck.
I love fishing.
Straight.
Yeah man, just keep it real. I'm behaving myself kids and do fishing more and back.
White
Okay?
House, big up on the damn
White House. White House.
Yeah, man.
No, yes, I was.
White House, big
Yeah
up
man,
on
you have to
the
see it on the
damn
YouTube,
self,
man.
still
Him have it.
there, no?
Even know it. Yo, vibes. Yeah, respect. So as the man them say still, the youth them back home or even over here, fishing is a really nice activity for do because it give you a piece of what we can say now, tranquility, calm, you get me? Yo, not more rewarding than catching your own food. You see where it come from because I find that a lot of us are desensitized from food. You know what I'm saying? Like inside the US, a lot of people don't even realize that a fish got a head, bro. You understand? I lie, me I tell? I don't lie. Like here in the US, people are accustomed to getting the fish fillet. The fish have a head. They can make fish head soup.
Some people think chicken breast is chicken breast only, no chicken.
No chicken, right? Exactly. So, yeah, it's a vibe. We are probably like, we've been sailing for probably like what, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Somewhere around 30 minutes.
40 minutes to be exact.
40 minutes to be exact. I wanna reach nowhere yet.
Towards Connecticut.
Towards Connecticut where I go?
Yeah. See that?
Wow.
So we're at Glen Cove right now.
Yeah, that is it. Cool cat. Yeah, tastes like a yard. The day,
Good fact.
yeah,
Only 8% of the ocean at this peak has been explored.
facts, 8%.
So half the animals we think there is or used to be might still be there.
True. Deep down.
But I always look for it, I'm just saying, when people don't respect the water, things always happen. That's why we always pay respect to the water.
You have to do it, man. Big catch, big catch, big catch. Cha cha.
The on go off and you can start.
So that means I starting time, you know. Might
Wait
take
again,
a,
it means to stop.
so a 2 hook we have on the line.
Yeah.
Yo, the skyline look beautiful, I ain't gonna lie. Skyline looks really good.
Try to cast it, just drop it straight down like this. You hold on to this, you go like this, and it goes down. Okay? You can stay right here for now, you're good, you're on the bottom, okay? Want me to show you, brother?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
most important thing in this rail
Mhm.
is to hold this at all times. When you go down, hold it like it's a brake
Okay.
so that it don't tangle up. See, you just hold it like it's a brake.
Okay.
Little friction. Don't let go of it till you click this. See, it stops.
Yeah.
That it's on the floor.
Okay.
So just like that, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. If you need another lesson, let me know.
Mm. Feel a bite all over? Yeah, buddy.
Good, perfect. Try not to let that go. And you don't have to cast, okay? The fish are under the radar under the boat.
Okay.
Okay, guys? You're good over there?
Yep.
All right, guys.
Bait's still on. Say I switch out. Kenny, remember, you know, if you don't want to catch no fish, you cannot go back into the yard. I forget you could have done that for real. That's why some come in. I say, yeah, man, fresh catch. Wow. Man, we catch a porgy already. Yep, it's good stuff. Sure. Fix that bait now. Come now, man. Come out now. Time for no go eat something now. Supper time. I don't even want to hear about them, you know, man. Because I feel bad mind. I'm a man that really feel bad mind about heart, you know, bro. I tell your father, them fish are uptown fish. The fish them no want no conch. Fish them, I say, are shrimp, Alfredo. Yeah, man. That's what they're using, right? Shrimp. Yeah. We there, so I use conch. We want some conch in our food. Come on now.
Just now.
Oh,
They
damn.
had to throw it back though. It's too big.
Too big.
Yeah, by law, yeah.
Also, the mature ones we throw back.
Yes.
Nice.
Because they're spawning right now, so you want to protect them.
Okay. I want to catch a big one. I can show and say, hey, le, 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 le. You know? I'll throw it back though, because we don't really like them when it's so big
That
either.
hurts, you know, but you have to.
Yeah.
It hurts. That's a nice fish.
Once they got pictures, they're good.
Yeah, I hear you. Listen, if it's against the law, it's against the law. You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
I agree.
I'd rather do things right than get in trouble.
That I love about America. Go by the law and you can fish forever. Because when the fish spawn back, more babies. No man, catch that long time, man. So yard or New York, which one? Down south. Why? How much you catch already? A big one? Are you catching big one? The stripe one? Oh. Yeah, I draw for the $20. Right now. See, almost sure $20.
Lunch box of
Bro, anything cooking out of that box, yeah? Nice. Bro.
Well, they don't want to eat that one.
No, I eat that. No.
So we see Ed. Him bite me.
Boy. So there's definitely a reason why they call it fishing and not catching. Getting bites, definitely getting bites, but nothing just yet. But I'm super excited because I just remember I have a spicy corned beef sandwich. I'm elated to just eat that while we're out here because we might be going back in probably like at like 1. And I got a Popeye's chicken sandwich. We have drinks for days. I got, what did your son give us again? Those Welch's gummy beer things. Bro, we feel good. And the weather is it's pretty cool. Yeah, and I have like granola bars, so yeah. But Kenny draw for the what do you call it, the bloodworms. Hope he's gonna get any luck on it. Let's see, man. Let's see.
He wants it.
A shark.
Yeah, he wants to eat him.
Gotcha.
You gonna fillet him now or are you gonna wait?
A line there, bend up.
$10 says you're attached to your friend over there.
Huh? What's up?
$10 says you're attached to your friend on the other side.
What is it? My fuck fish. No, not too big, man.
Yo,
Right.
what kind of fish that is? Stripe bass, bro. Bro.
Keeper, first one look bigger, man. First one keeper, right?
Man says if it's a keeper.
Hell no. You can't be a keeper.
Can't be a keeper, bro.
Jesus Christ, a shark. Look at you.
That's a big fish.
This is
Oh my God, I wish I was a keeper.
eh?
A keeper?
Absolutely not.
Give me a picture. Give me a picture of my big fish.
Please, relax. Stop crabbing. Just like that. Stay right there. Look at me. Okay. Tape measure quick. Down.
Yeah, man.
47, Cap.
Wow.
That kind of bad boy grab me like.
Big feet, dog. Monster that gone, you know?
We're gonna get out of here.
We're going now home.
No. Try someplace else.
Bye,
why-
Nice.
baby.
Absolutely love that. That they're very serious on setting the fish back. The simple logic is, man, like if it's mature, it's gonna be able to breed and get more fish. Anyway, we're gonna bring the lines up because they say that the fish like those are the ones that eat the porgies, so that's why we're not getting as much as whatever. So we're gonna find another spot to go fishing.
He's so mad, dude.
Wow.
They come up together.
Looks like a helmet, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's a young one.
All right, Bubba. See you later. Peace
Ciao.
out. It gets really bad because these reels are from like 1902. These things have just been around. This shit's fucking gnarly. Like, even when I try to cast this thing, I can make it fucking that bad. See? Just like that. They're just not meant for it.
If I don't want to take my rod.
Always.
Piece of the corn beef sandwich at a frit bun them up. Whoa, fish. So they say we're not getting a lot of bites because the fish are down there having sex. They're spawning, so
What are you doing?
they don't care about food right now. Is it shortly? What am I say? They can't ready for go back in, bro. Oh man.
Right there. Huh?
Bueno. Pero por eso.
Yeah, those are good ones. Right, take that off.
Wow. Flying fish?
Between your pants in.
Yo, what? Damn.
Fly.
Primera. Yo, the first man I saw them, you know? Up close and personal. So we are inside here because out there is pretty cold and the boat is moving. We're going to another spot, probably going to be there for 20 minutes, the captain said. So yeah, and then we are going to head in. It's somewhere after 11 o'clock now. So far the experience has been pretty good. Definitely wished it was a lot more fish, but like I said, they're having sex. Yo, really? We got one.
No, you got a rock. You got a rock.
A rock?
Yes, you got a rock. You
Yo, man, this can't real, bro.
Who's pulling on the other side?
Pee and nibble them and nibble, watch out.
That's them.
Yeah, man. You look one them. Watch out, you see it? Watch out, you see it? Hey. Well, yeah, me catch something. Yeah. Yeah. Lift up in this blood. Come over here, yo. Fish. Yeah.
Play that up for you.
Yes, sir. You little fish, I'm not telling you that. What me say? Yard pre.
With the moment so to drop in a basket.
Yeah, man, a basket. You think it is a joke? Hey! You think they will come out as a player? Mr. Flying Fish, me say, I'm gonna make you into a beautiful taco. Remember that. Salsa verde. Mucho spicy. Picante. Hi!
Till 5. Maybe even later.
And what time do you start?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow I have off, thankfully.
Okay.
We have a party tonight. So we get back, then we have to
Clean.
well, the boat has to be clean when we get back.
You gotta babysit.
We have to leave immediately. Yeah.
Alright, so we are heading back in. I'm super excited that a couple fish was caught today. Greatest thing, and that I'm gonna try flying fish for the very first time. So again, big up to my boy Kenny. You know what I'm saying, for carrying me out on this expedition. It has been amazing. You don't know the yard man them and thing, and the Hispanic them on the boat. But I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm making them tacos, man. Fresh tacos. Tomorrow, I am making tacos. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright, so it's very clear to me that I'm choosing violence right now because I cut off a couple fish heads. I chose to have the fish head still on because I wanted the head, I wanted the bones, because possibly I can wrap it up, throw it in my freezer, and later on I can make like a fish stock or something. Maybe I do, maybe I don't know. But I want to keep this fish taco very, very simple. Something similar to what I might have had in Mexico before. So for that slaw, that wet, saucy vibe, I'm just gonna cut up some cabbage really simply. Use some sour cream, use a little bit of lemon, a little bit of salt, maybe black pepper, maybe some thyme, I don't know. Keep it very simple. I want that nice citrusy flavor. Then I'm gonna implement a little bit of Jamaican vibe to it. Cut up some red onions and then do a little escovitch on that. Maybe add a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper to give it a little spice. And for the fish is the most important part for me. I don't want it to be like, I don't like when it's bready. Like tacos themselves, like the tortillas, are already kind of bready. I don't want to add that to my thing. So I'm gonna make a little herb type of blend, maybe some garlic, black pepper, salt, little stuff like that. And then add a little cornstarch to give it a little bit of crispiness, and then fry it. And then put my taco together, and then that should be it. I'm super interested to try the flying fish because it's gonna be my very first time ever eating flying fish before. It's amazing the animals or the creatures that are out there. Who would have thought that a fish could fly? Weird. Me here. All right. Boy.
Thank you very much.
I'm your food now when I tell me your food now. How was it?
It's good?
What fish is it?
Huh? Shoot, which one? I want, one of them is flying fish. Does this one have skin? Look under this one if you see skin. That's a flying fish. It's good? Yes, sir.
What sauce is that?
The sauce? It's,
You made it, didn't you?
yeah, it's sour cream, little paprika, lemon,
That's why I don't need no lemon.
cabbage. Yeah, that's why I said don't squeeze the lemon just yet. It's good. Yes, sir. You taste the difference in the fish, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good. We did that.